I'm about to flip how you think about getting better at your content creation on its head. The thing that you think is helping you is the thing that's keeping you stuck and the thing that's keeping you broke. I'm here to prove it. Now listen, I was on a podcast today and my buddy Brandon asked me a question. What does creating mean to you? And I said, everybody is a creator. Some people are creating content. Some people are creating excuses. Some are creating drama. Some are creating happiness. Some are creating smiles. But every human being on this planet is an absolute creator. It's just a matter of what do you want to create today? Now, I know a person who's been studying content creation for 3 years. Courses, mastermind templates, algorithms, analytics. They know the whole process. But if you ask them today, how much content did you create this week? And you will hear crickets. They have become a professional student, not a professional creator. Meanwhile, less educated creators are out here making content, getting views, getting paid, getting brand deals, the whole 9 yards. Now, in that same exact video, somebody asked a question about, can a person who is just out here having fun actually blow up and get good at this content creation? And I stand on business when I say this, that person will probably succeed faster than the overthinker, than the overcomplicator, than the overplanner, because they're actually doing it and they're having fun, and the fun shines out in the content. When you're feeling unconfident, unstuck because you're busy trying to be perfect, it comes out in your videos and it makes people feel like you're a little heady. The reason why you're heady is because you're second guessing yourself trying to be perfect. Like, here is the big trap. Learning feels productive. I have ADHD. Learning is a dopamine hit because when you get a little bad and say, hey, you smart, it is a thing. Learning feels productive, but it doesn't create results. Creation creates results. And you can create anything. You got to publish it, ship it, share it. It could be a simple video. It can be a simple podcast, a basic landing page, a flyer. Heck, create anything and you're actually creating. The pattern of successful creators is create first, fix whatever breaks, take that learning and create it again, and then loop it. That way, the learning is always tied to a real problem. It's not just the learning for the sake of learning. Most people do it backwards, and then they stay stuck forever. If you take the learn first approach, you're going to go and study lighting, audio, editing, analytics, hooks, the whole 9 yards. You're going to buy a whole bunch of expensive gear. Then you can buy some more expensive gear, and you can buy some more expensive gear. And then you're going to get overwhelmed, and you're never going to hit record. But the create first approach is pull out your phone, make a terrible video, post it. Now you take that data, fix one little thing. If I moved it from this side of the room, the lighting is better. Come again. If I added a microphone, the sound is better. Come again. If I put this kind of comment in the chat when I first started out, I get more engagement. Start again. Like, boom, that person is learning. Create first. Boom. Right? It's the learn and do approach. But how about the do and learn approach? It's actually just as good. So Brandon and Billy, two of my favorite creators on the planet right now, B. Wash and then Billy Thorpe, they said something really funny at Creator Camp, which it sticks in my head because it was so good. I like to be the dumbest smart person in the room. The people that go out here and learn everything, they be the smartest smart person, but they ain't did nothing. I just picked up the DJI Osmo Nano right here. And as I was looking at a couple of videos, making sure this is what I wanted to do, people in the comments arguing about OpenGate and 4K 30 and this kind of Kodak or whatever, you click on that person's avatar, you go to their channel, they got nay video the first, not a single one. I see them in every chat with something to say. There's people in some of my friends' chat. I go to their chat every time they're talking about all the cameras and whatever. I go to their page. They ain't not created a single video, but they know so much about cameras and lighting. And, Sony should do this and Apple should do that. They're trying to tell two of the biggest companies in the planet how to run their business. They ain't even running the business. They ain't got nothing. People love to tell politicians how to run the city, and they can't even run their own budget. Fam, this is not going to work. I tried to launch a podcast a couple years ago. I had everything in place. I had the sponsors, the graphics, the whole 9 yards, Studio Perfect, the whole 9 yards. I launched it, absolute crickets. Because I was busy optimizing container and not optimizing the content. There's people out here who are running it. There's a girl that I watch right now. She makes content travel videos about Japan. She's still shooting on the Osmo Pocket 1. She is 500,000 followers deep. She gets on the average 300,000-400,000 views on the channel. Still shooting on the Osmo Pocket 1. And I got to say, her framing skills and all of that, if I'm basing it as a filmmaker, doo-doo. But the content is good. I still watch it anyway because I enjoy seeing my second country, which is Japan. Where most people fail isn't lack of intelligence, it's lack of effort. They never ship. They're constantly getting ready to get ready. And the learning becomes procrastination disguised as productivity. So I'm going to tell you, before you go to try to learn another thing, ask yourself, does learning this help me create something I can publish or sell today? And if the answer is no, skip it. You've learned enough. Just take the action. Because overlearning leads to overplanning. Overplanning leads to overcomplication. Overcomplication leads to overthinking. And then it just turns into a spiral. And then that's your procrastination pretending to be prep. What I want you to do is shoot it, ship it, answer the comments, and do it again. So your challenge is to go create something today. At the end of these videos, I always say, right about now, the algorithm's going to show you that video thing you should watch. Don't watch nothing, bro. Stop the camera and go make something. Even if it's only a 7-second short that says, family, I want to be a content creator, but I am stuck. What are you doing to get unstuck? What are you doing to make content? Press go, send it. That simple. The people who are out here winning aren't smarter than you. They're not better than you. They just create more than you. They improve in public. They are professional creators, and you could be that yourself. You already know enough to start. You may not know enough how to finish it perfectly, but starting is the only thing that actually grows this content creation situation. Stop learning your way to success and start creating your way there. Now, if this sparked a little something in your brain, write that down in the comments section below. If you like this video, press the like button, press the subscribe button, ring the notification bell. And I don't know who needed to hear this, but if it was you, write that in the comment section below. Now, most of you guys know I said that backwards. I ain't going to fix it. I'm going to let it go. Because normally I would tell you to watch another video the algorithm is going to put up. What I really want you to do is press the stop button and go record something. And if you don't have nothing to record or you can't stop to record, take out your phone, grab some content that's already in your phone and publish that sucker as a short. Just create something today.
I need to know everything, who and the what and the where, I need everything. Trust me, I hear what you're saying, but act like it's new what you're telling me. I'm curious, George, I hop in the Porsche, 5 and a horse, I'm ready for war, I'm coming for throats, to turn to a ghost, I need to know everything. Now you be surprised at the info you get is by letting them talk, so I'm letting them talk.